Presenting Lenovo Ideapad Slim 1 Thin and Light Laptop. It runs on Windows 10 operating system and weighs 1.2 kg. This laptop is powered by Intel Celeron N4020 processor with 1.1 GHz base speed, 2.8 GHz maximum speed, 2 cores and 4 MB cache. The laptop has Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 included. The 4GB RAM DDR4 with integrated Intel UHD graphics 600 gives you a smooth performance. With 256GB SSD, this laptop lets you store all your music, pictures and movies. The 32 Wh battery gives battery life up to 6 hours. The 11.6-inch HD 1366 by 768 pixels resolution, 250 nits brightness and anti-glare gives you an immersive viewing experience. The two 1.5-watt stereo speakers with HD audio and Dolby audio gives you an enticing musical experience. The laptop comes with two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, headphone mic combo jack, HDMI 1.4 port and 4-in-1 media reader. Inside the box you will find the laptop, power adapter and user manual.